Hello guys. In this session we will learn about the events that provided by the Cordova. Cordova provide the various range of the events for the device, such as when the user tap the back button or press the volume buttons. All of the event must be managed by the JavaScript only. Not that the all of the devices does not support the all of the events. Following are the list of the events provided by the Cordova. Device ready trigger when the Cordova is fully loaded. If you see in the previous session, the device ready method was already created by the Cordova. Pause event is the event that trigger when our application will put into the background. Resume event will be triggered when the application will return from the Let's switch to the Visual Studio and see the demo. You can see that this is the on device ready method, which is registered by this statement. In this example, I am going to preventing a user from pressing the volume down button. Don't say it sound like funny. For this, first of all, we need to create the function on volume down, key down, and here pass the its event, and simply we are showing the error cannot volume down and the semicolon. And now we need to bind this function with the event. For this we need to write document dot add event listener. Within the bracket we need to specify the event name, that is a volume down button, and the function name, that is on volume down key down, that is created by us, and the false. For this we need to test in the emulator. I am already selected and started. You can see that the now emulator look pretty than the our previous example. For this I am make the changes in the AVD. Here is the our app which was started. Now going to press the volume down button. You can see that we receive the alert message you can't volume down, and now going to press the volume up button. It works. Only volume down button was disabled. However, you can still volume down from the home or the other applications, like let's see the our simple demo. For this we need to create the function on volume down key down, and here pass the its event, and simply we are showing the error cannot volume down and the semicolon. For this we need to bind this function with the event. For this we need to write document dot add event listener. Within the bracket we need to specify the event name, that is volume down button, and the function name, that is on volume down key down, and the function name, that is First of all, we need to create the function or the listener, and then we need to add the event listener to the document. We need to specify the event name, event listener, and the whether it will prevent or not. Thanks for watching.